channel. I'm Jennita, and for today's video I have this makeup tutorial, so dramatic. As you know, I love this kind of makeup, so if you want to recreate it, please keep watching. Well, I feel weird because I'm gonna do something out of my comfort zone, so let's get started with this. I'm gonna start with my eyes before my face, so kind of weird for me. I'm gonna start with this Maybelline primer. I like to use primer in this part of my eyes, this part and this part. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use this Revolution Conceal and Define. This is the C1. Next step, my eyebrows. I like to set these lips with loose powder, but for this time I'm not gonna set it. I'm gonna use this amazing palette by RUDECOSMETICS. This one, it is Fantastique. I haven't used this yet, but do you remember my video when I swatched some color of this palette and the haul? So I'm in love with this palette. This is my first time using it, by the way. How gorgeous! This is the Fantastique. I'm gonna start with this shade Pleasure. Now it's time for this color, Jolly. This color is so pigmented. Next color, Lune. This purple shade. Now I'm gonna take this blue. I'm gonna cut the crease with this Wetn white concealer. Purple and blue. I'm gonna use this Boosteer. This is in French, so it's this light blue here. So now it's time for this. I bought this in eBay. This is the Love Alpha. So gorgeous. This look is so mermaid. Okay, let's continue. I want to intensify this purple and blue. My eyeliner before the rest of my face. I highlight my inner corner with Bum Bum, and I mix these two to highlight my brow bone. Before my foundation, I apply this City Color Illuminating, and this is a hard candy eye primer, but it is so shimmery. and I like to use this before my foundation. Then I use this Maybelline, I mix these two. I apply this Maybelline concealer, Fit Me, contour, as you know, this and this two. I'm gonna finish my eyes, and I'm gonna be using this Dolly Pleasure. The same color, purple and blue. This is a Physician Formula bronzer, but I'm gonna use this as a highlighter with another one. I'm gonna use this Covergirl highlighter too. I'm gonna use this one. You know what? I'm gonna use this too. I'm gonna use this Covergirl blush. This is Mellow this Pretty Peach. And I'm gonna use this lipstick by Wetn. This is the Goth topic. So I'll be back. And this is the final result. I hope you like it. Using this palette by RUDECOSMETICS. It is an amazing palette, and all these Drugstore products. So I hope you like it. Give me your thumbs up, comment down below, and see you next time. Bye.